Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 7th English grammar 5th chapter and that is 7 basic patterns. In this chapter we recite about subject, verb and object, linking verb, complement and basic pattern from 1 to 4. In this chapter we read about the subject is a person or thing that perform an action. Verb is a word or group of words that expresses an action or event. Object is a person or thing on or for which the action is done. Now linking verb. Linking verb is a verb that connects the subject with the adjective or the noun that describe it. Some of the linking verbs are be, become, seem, look, appear, taste, smell, feel and grow. Let's start exercise 5.1. Below are given two sentences of each pattern first to fourth. Can you tell the pattern of each? First one is Manu has failed, and in this statement we use pattern number first. In pattern number first we use subject plus verb. So in this sentence Manu is subject and has failed is verb. So we use pattern first. Second, the food was tasty. In this sentence, the food subject plus was linking verb plus tasty is adjective. So we use pattern number third. In pattern number third, we use subject, linking verb and adjective also. Third, Conning taste is bitter. In this statement, we use pattern number third. The bell was ringing. The bell subject was ringing verb. In this statement we use pattern number first. Fifth, Mohinder is our captain. So in this statement we use pattern number fourth. In pattern number fourth we use subject plus linking verb plus noun. So in this statement Mohinder is subject, is linking verb plus our captain is noun. So my dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself in your notebook. Exercise 5.2. Put the following sentences in the form of table as shown below. First one is I wrote him a letter. And in this statement subject is I, verb is wrote, indirect object him and direct object a letter. Next one is Deepak gave me a pen. So Deepak is subject, gave verb, me indirect object, a pen direct object. Third, my brother bought me a shirt. My brother subject, bought verb, indirect object me and direct object a shirt. Fourth, my father sent me a telegram. In this statement subject is my father, verb is sent, indirect object me and direct object a telegram. Fifth one is we gave them all the facilities. Subject we, verb gave, indirect object them and direct object all the facilities. And the rest of question you have to do in your notebook. Question number second. Rewrite each sentence using the direct object before the indirect object. So in this question we use basic pattern 6. In basic pattern 6 subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object. But some important notes are the indirect object come first. We can put the direct object first, but in the case we have to use suitable preposition to, for, from and so on before the indirect object. So let's start this one. They made her a coat. Now we can write this one in indirect object. They made a coat for her. Second, he told his father a lie. He told a lie to his father. Third, he did me much wrong. He did much wrong to me. Fourth, I shall give you an apple. I shall give an apple to you. Fifth, he will bring you a letter. He will bring a letter for you. Sixth, he left them all his property. He left all his property for them. Seventh, they sent the boy a telegram. They sent a telegram to the boy. They gave her a lot of money. They gave a lot of money to her. The old man told them his sad story. The old man told his sad story to them. Do this question in your notebook. Question number 3 of this exercise. Supply a direct object in each sentence. Before doing this question, you have to open your English grammar book on page number 34 and look at the picture. She taught us a dance step. I asked Misa a question. My friend lent me her book. They gave the boy a nice gift. My sister showed me her new dress. The servant bought me a blanket. Do this question in your book only. There is no need to do this question in your notebook. Next one is supply an indirect object in each sentence. First one is I forgave dash his fault, and the correct answer is him. Second, I promised dash all help my sister. Third, she did dash a great favor, and the answer is Geeta. Fourth, they showed dash their old car, and the answer is him. Fifth, Deepak bought Misha a gold ring. The principal will award Suresh a prize. Do this question only in your book. Exercise 5.3. Put each sentence in the form of a table as shown below. Also show if the object complement is a noun or adjective. So in this statement we use basic pattern 7. In basic pattern 7, subject, verb, object and object complement. The object complement is a noun or adjective which describe the object. First one is blankets kept them warm. So the subject blankets, verb kept, object complement them, and noun object warm, and also it is adjective. Second, she keeps her house dirty. She subject, verb is keeps, object her house, and nouns and adjective is dirty. Third, my friends thought me crazy. Subject my friends, verb thought, object complement me, and adjective crazy. Fourth, they crowned him their king. Subject they, verb crown, object complement him, and noun object their king. So my dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself in your notebook. Question number 2. Write 2 sentences for each of the following pattern. In this question, my dear students, you have to use pattern first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh and make the sentences for each pattern. First one is subject, verb, and the answer is Reena is singing and Meera is dancing. Second is pattern number 2. In pattern number 2, we use subject, verb and adverb. So the sentence is Meera is coming today. Our soldier fought bravely. In pattern number 3, we use subject, linking verb and adjective. And the statement is Nidhi looks beautiful. She has grown very fat. In this sentence, looks is the linking verb and beautiful is the adjective and Nidhi is subject. Fourth, my dog is my friend. In this statement, we use pattern number 4. In pattern number 4, we use subject, linking verb plus noun. Chandu become our leader. Fifth, mother made a cake. We are learning our lesson. In this statement, we use pattern number 5. In pattern number 5, subject, verb and object we have to use. 6. She asked the teacher a question. Mohan sent his brother a nice gift. In this pattern, we use pattern number 6. Subject, verb, indirect object and direct object. Next one is, we found the book useful. They kept the place clean. In this statement, we use basic pattern 7. In basic pattern 7, we use subject, verb, object and object complement. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. That's all about this chapter. I hope you all understand very well the basic 7 pattern. Thank you.